How to set up Xero accounting software. I am going to show you how you can easily set up Xero accounting software. First, open your browser and search Xero.com. Open the Xero website. Xero is an accounting software platform that offers cloud-based solutions for all businesses and accounting professionals. You can log into your account or try Xero for free. If you want to try it for free, then click on the option on the right side of the screen. Add details including your first name, last name, email, phone, and location. Click the option I have read and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy at the bottom of the form. Also, click on the option Please don't send me marketing communication. Click on I am not a robot to verify that you are human, which is powered by CAPTCHA. Click on Next for confirmation and then confirm your email to start Xero. Open your email account in the new tab of the browser and you will see an email from the Xero website. The email will be a confirmation email that your account is already active. Go back to the Xero website and log into your account by adding your credentials. Also add the second layer of security. If you want otherwise, click on Not Now. You will see your dashboard in action, which gives you an instant overview of how your business is tracking. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.